We are an energy engineering company based out of Bangalore in India. We specialize in deep offshore and ultra deep offshore production systems engineering, detailed and basic engineering. We came into existence in the year 2000 with 5 employees. We have grown to about 300 today. Today, Aviva has opened their development center in Hyderabad, in India, which is basically very good for Indian software industry, because we have a dearth of product companies operating out of India. So this would be one of the firsts in this space. We've been using Aviva products for the past 15 years from our inception, and we are pretty much our platform of development is Aviva Plant Design Management System. We've engineered close to 25 floating production systems across the globe, which includes Brazil, Angola, Australia, Gulf of Mexico, and the North Sea. And all these projects have been pretty much using Aviva products and the suite of products. We do global engineering, collaborative global engineering using these products. Having a development team here means a lot to us, for as we will be access to first-hand technology rather than hearing it later from the market. It's a very important step for us. We see it as a good progression from Aviva towards its customers. There's a large base of customers in India. There are huge amount of engineering companies now operating out of India, global engineering companies. We are one of the few homegrown engineering companies which provide these solutions, and we have given a run for the money for many multinationals to prove Indian engineering as a very matured engineering hub, and given Indian engineers the platform to prove that they are second to none in the world. We hope this continues, and we look forward to very exciting times. Oil and gas market is booming. All production facilities are going deeper. This would mean more projects, larger projects for Indian engineers to execute in the coming years. Pretty much, when we look at the software industry per se, Hyderabad is as matured as Bangalore is. Bangalore has a different set of companies, more driven towards software solutions. And Bangalore has more companies more driven towards the engineering space also. So we have high-end engineering companies in Bangalore, but we also have very high-end engineering companies like Infotech Enterprises and Avinion, and based out of Hyderabad. So both are equally very good. I think it is good to have this competition between the two cities to be tier one or number one in the country. In our industry, the main challenges we used to face earlier was lack of resources and people with knowledge of deep offshore systems. But we have overcome that. We are working very closely with the IITs. We are working very closely with NITK. We are working very closely with UPES in Dehradun, and they have pretty much good master degree courses for these engineers. That was one of the challenges we had. I think we have kind of overcome it right now. So we do not see many challenges in the coming future. At presently, we are handling the Karagua Tatuba FPSO for Petrobras, based in deep-water pre-salt area in Brazil. This is a FPSO with 160,000 barrels of oil production a day, capable of handling 160,000 barrels a day. This will be moored in a water depth of 1.9 kilometers. Very large FPSO. More than 20,000 tons of topside weight, very complex. But the most challenging thing is it's a very, very short-term project. We would finish the complete engineering of topsides in 10 months. We are already in the 6th month and we are on schedule. This would be, I think, a world first that topside has been engineered in such short time.